The legendary Hummer name is back once again, and this time it's bigger, bolder, and more advanced than ever before. Meet the all-new 2027 Hummer HX900, a next-generation luxury off-road SUV that pushes the limits of rugged capability and futuristic design, whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a technology lover, or simply someone who appreciates powerful vehicles. The HX900 promises to make a serious statement with an aggressive new look, premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and incredible performance. This could easily become one of the most talked about SUVs of 2027. From the very first glance, the HX900 commands attention. The front fascia features an imposing grille with illuminated Hummer lettering, slim LED matrix headlights, and an aggressive bumper that gives it an unmistakable road presence. Massive skid plates, muscular fender flares, and oversized all-terrain tires reinforce its go-anywhere attitude. The sculpted hood, sharp body lines, and aerodynamic improvements create a modern appearance while maintaining the unmistakable Hummer DNA. Every angle of this SUV has been designed to project confidence, strength, and capability. Step inside and you'll discover a cabin that blends luxury with durability. Premium leather upholstery, sustainable materials, and brushed aluminum accents create an upscale environment that feels ready for both adventure and everyday driving. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto over the air software updates, and an advanced voice assistant ensure the latest technology is always at your fingertips. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic glass roof, customizable ambient lighting, and a premium surround sound system elevate every journey into a first-class experience. Passenger comfort is equally impressive. The spacious interior offers generous legroom in both rows, while clever storage compartments and a versatile cargo area make the HX900 practical for families and outdoor adventures alike. Fold, flat rear seats provide additional cargo flexibility, making it easy to transport camping gear, bicycles, or large equipment. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and rear climate controls ensure every passenger stays comfortable and connected throughout the trip. Under the hood, the 2027 Hummer HX900 is expected to deliver exceptional performance with a powerful electrified drivetrain. Instant electric torque provides breathtaking acceleration while maintaining remarkable off-road capability. Advanced four-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, multiple terrain management modes, and locking differentials allow the HX900 to tackle rocky trails, deep mud, snow, and steep climbs with confidence. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight spaces, while advanced regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency during everyday driving. Safety remains a major priority. The HX900 is expected to feature a complete suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced parking assistance and semi-autonomous driving capabilities make this large SUV surprisingly easy to handle in city traffic as well as on the open highway. Although official pricing has not yet been confirmed, industry experts expect the 2027 Hummer HX900 to start around $95,000 for the base model, with fully equipped premium trims potentially exceeding $130,000 depending on available options and performance packages. Production is expected to begin in late 2026, with customer deliveries arriving during 2027. The all-new 2027 Hummer HX900 represents a bold evolution of an iconic nameplate. It combines unmistakable styling, luxurious comfort, advanced technology, powerful electrified performance, and legendary off-road capability into one impressive package. If these expectations become reality, the HX900 could redefine what drivers expect from a premium adventure SUV. Let us know what you think about the all-new 2027 Hummer HX900. Would you choose it over its competitors? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive updates.